Welcome to this demonstration on building effective and relevant ChatGPT use cases. Building solid use cases is a key step in creating effective and relevant ChatGPT prompts. To get started, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, sign into your OpenAI account or create a new one if you don't have one. We already have an account and will be using the paid subscription service of ChatGPT. There is also a free service as well that has a few limitations. Notably, you may not be able to access ChatGPT during busy times. Now, let's begin. Our use case involves using ChatGPT to generate creative product descriptions for a fictional online store selling eco-friendly products. This scenario is practical, demonstrable, and relevant to our learning personas, as it showcases the potential of AI in enhancing creativity and productivity. Now let's define the goals and objectives of our use case. For our eco-friendly online store, the goal is to create engaging and informative product descriptions that highlight the environmental benefits and features of the products. This will help attract customers and encourage them to make a purchase. Next, we'll craft prompts that address the objectives of our use case. To illustrate the importance of prompt engineering, we'll provide 3 examples: a poor prompt, a mediocre prompt, and a good prompt, which we will type at the bottom of the screen in the prompt box. The first one is a poor prompt: write about a bag. This prompt provides no context or direction about what to do with it. Establishing a clear and distinct context for your inputs is key to successful prompt engineering. This prompt leaves ChatGPT to either ask for more detail or make up something whimsical. Although this can be fun and entertaining, prompts like our poor one aren't very useful. The second one is a mediocre prompt: write a description for a reusable food storage bag. Unlike our poor prompt above, our mediocre one does give ChatGPT a little more detail, but you'll notice that it's also lacking any meaningful context. So, although we have added the 3 modifiers, reusable, food, and storage, ChatGPT still doesn't have any direction from the prompt and will proceed, like with our poor prompt, in a whimsical and entertaining direction. And the last one is a good prompt: write a creative product description for a reusable silicone food storage bag that emphasizes its eco-friendly features and benefits for the user. By now, you should be able to pick out what we mean by context and the difference between it and modification. The modifiers here should be easy to pick out: reusable, silicone, food, and storage. But now, in very short order, we have a wealth of contexts like a creative product description, emphasizing eco-friendly, and, of course, features and benefits. The latter signals to ChatGPT that this is probably a marketing response. To review, by crafting clear and specific prompts, we can guide ChatGPT to generate the desired output. Our good prompt is clear, has purpose, and most importantly, as we've discussed in previous courses, has a well-defined context. By being clear, purposeful, and providing context, the good prompt helps guide ChatGPT to generate more relevant and effective content that meets the goals and objectives of the use case. This demonstrates the importance of prompt engineering and how careful crafting of prompts can significantly impact the results you receive from ChatGPT. Once we have the generated content, we'll assess the effectiveness of the output. This involves evaluating the quality, relevance, and creativity of the AI-generated product descriptions. It's crucial to ensure that the descriptions meet our goals and objectives while remaining engaging and informative. Lastly, we'll iterate and refine our prompts based on the initial results. This may involve rephrasing the prompts or providing additional context to improve the generated content. Remember, prompt engineering is an iterative process, and refining your prompts can significantly impact the results you receive from ChatGPT. To address this, we can refine the prompt by including these additional aspects. Here's an example of an iterative prompt that incorporates the missing elements. Let's add the following prompt to our prompt box. Write a creative product description for a reusable silicone food storage bag that emphasizes its eco-friendly features, durability, and ease of cleaning for the user. By iteration, we mean experimenting over and over again with the prompt. Some people might call this tweaking the prompt. Regardless of what iteration means to you, it's the mindset and practice that are important here. Have fun and be creative with the prompt. Ask ChatGPT to respond from the customer's point of view. Experiment with different types of modifiers. Ask ChatGPT to give 2 or 3 versions of the iterative responses and then ask it to compare and contrast them. By refining the prompt in this way, we're providing additional context and guidance for ChatGPT, which increases the likelihood of generating a product description that better meets our goals and objectives. Remember, prompt engineering is an iterative process, and making adjustments to your prompts can significantly impact the results you receive from ChatGPT.